Hey guys, so hey, it's a new format and we are going to start talking game design while we start playing a new game. I've been meaning to play this game for a while, so I'm very curious on what's going on. And from the get-go, I like its simplicity, its minimalism. I like how the background's moving very slowly, like in a little bit async, while these trees are going to the right. There are some things going to the left. Very subtle but also very soothing, like a relaxing atmosphere. Some of those things seems to be looping, you know. Like, I mean, those ships here. Yeah, they seem like those ships, but just mirrored, so that's fun. These question marks begging the question, like begging to be clicked. A new minor update we have introduced, blah blah, a bunch of cards that will make life a lot more manageable. There are cards that will help fund food management. Okay, so those news, I mean, not useful for us right now. Let's start a new run. Moon length. Okay, so nice. Whenever I hover over it, it says what it means. It's nice because, and it's a clever choice because were the mouse over just live here, some people would probably not hover here. So living here, you make sure that everyone sees it. The downside, I guess, that it's blocking a little bit of the way, but I think it's okay. Uh, so let's have our normal moon. Peaceful mode, I guess, yeah, it has the same behavior. So no enemies in peaceful mode. Let's have a clear run and see what happens. Okay, so click. Okay, I like the effect, like you can see it's a simple shader and a screen shake. Very subtle, but also very relevant. Okay, so I have a bunch of new stuff. Coin, villager. Okay, I like how clicking on them makes a sound. A berry bush, a rock, a wood. Okay, some color coding here. Okay, let me try. Okay, I can zoom out. Quest completed. Woohoo! So that's also a very interesting design choice, like make me have a very small victory just for opening a pack. I have something flashing here. Guess it's important. Okay, so I saw that something appeared here, but I mean, if I hover out, it breaks. I'm getting worried about the moon, like because I need two black stuff to feed my villagers. I have 0. Okay, so I'll probably die. Let me try and see. Okay, so things seems to be paused. Like drag the villager on top of the berry bush. Okay. Okay, I suppose things will move. Like if I start moving time again. Okay, so the coin doesn't seem to do anything. What happens if I put the coin in the wood? Nothing. The rock on the wood, nothing. Okay. 2 more quests to unlock a new pack. What pack? Okay, I remember the packs. This paused being blinking. Let's think about for a moment about this choice here. It's a nice choice to make me remember that, like the game's paused, but why not have it static here? I don't know, perhaps just to give the sense of movement in the game, like even though it's paused, I don't know, it creates a small anxiety, which is a positive thing, just to make me, like keep moving. So okay, let's unpause it, see what happens here. Let's have some coins here. Can I sell coins? No, I guess that would be too crazy. Rocks and woods. Okay, so food, I'll leave food here. Okay, so this accounts for 1 black stuff. And what's the other symbol here? I have no idea. Can I put a berry over a berry? Okay. So I have enough food to survive this day. I have 1 coin. I have 6 out of 20 cards. Okay. I had no idea that I would need more cards, Mine a rock using a villager. How? Okay, so I need to put the villager on the rock. Okay, I see a moon is going to end here. Hopefully that won't mean anything bad. Okay, new pack unlocked, humble beginnings. Okay, continue. Okay, my only option is to feed the villagers. Okay. Cool. my villager. Okay, start new moon. So, I mean, making me... Yeah, I guess right now in the game it doesn't make a difference, because I only had one option for both of those. So I suppose that eventually the design choice here is going to be like having more options that I can choose from by the end of each moon. I really like the touch of like whenever I hold something, it shows me where I can put them. It's a nice touch. I also like how I can choose how to pick the both cards or just one. Let's also do something because we still need two food to eat, so we need three coins. How do we sell a card? Okay, let's sell wood. A stone. Wow. It's okay. Like these, I buy stuff. Yay, yay, yay! A very nice feeling. Harvest tree using a villager. Okay, man. But and I going to die. Soil. What does the soil do? But I'm starting to suppose that those black cards are cards that I can do something with my villager. Extract things or I don't know. Because I don't think that I could interact with the stone. Let's see what happens right after this. I like those notifications, but I mean at the same time I don't really like them. I think the game could use some better GUI over here to like display what I did, because it's very intrusive. Imagine if I did like 5 things, it would be over here. Made a stick from wood. Okay. Okay, so no, yeah. So I was wrong about. Okay, I guess I'm going to die. Okay, so the berry bush. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Stop! 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 Oh my god! Am I going to die? The time constraints, even the normal difficulty, is like very restrictive. Holy shit! I guess I didn't die for like 1 second there. Oh my god. Okay, that was very intense. So okay, let's keep him creating like food. Fast forward, please. Okay, so that seems to be enough food. So made a stick from wood. So I guess I was wrong from the black ones being interactable and the gray ones being not, but. And I just said that food would live here, and it's not living here anymore, so amazing. Let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, so is there any Easter eggs over here? That would be nice to find something that I could click and... Okay, so I made a stick. Pause using the play icon. Okay, so that... But that's a little bit confusing, like the current icon is the icon that I'm in, like usual design choices make like the icon you see is the icon you are going to go to once you click. So that's a little bit weird, but okay. At least the game recognizes it by making it like one of those 12 steps of onboarding. And by the way, this onboarding here was pretty natural, albeit a little like verbose, like a lot of things that I should be doing, but I like it. I guess that it's not even 10 minutes in and I'm already quite acquainted with the game, so it was a nice choice. So grow a berry bush using soil. How do I do that? Like, can I do this? A stick? I have no idea. I literally have no idea. So, okay. No, nothing happens. Nothing happens. Nothing happened. Okay, with a wood. But yeah, I'll just make a stick. Let me just sell this stick, Sell the stone. Buy another one. See what happens. Okay, so I literally had an idea. Let me pause this. Oh my god. I just have food for a day, What does a key do? Yeah, what was it? What is it for? Should I sell it? Should I not sell it? Okay, so what's an idea? 1 wood and 1 villager is like a stick. Okay, I guess I already knew that, but okay, it lives here now. 1 house and 2 villagers is 1 offspring. Okay, a young gun needs a house to go up in. Okay, so what happens if I sell an idea, like a stick? I already knew how to make a sticker. Okay, so the idea is stick. I mean, ironic that it's for a stick, but okay, so I have no purpose on keeping ideas, right? Okay. Oh shit, that I don't like, like that hovering over here and then hovering out makes it go away because I have no time, man. So I guess I can get some berry bushes. Okay, so let me try, screw the key, man. Let me buy stuff. Okay, berry bush. Oh my god, berry bush. Get food for another day. Leave for another, oh my god, where's the berry bush? Oh my god. Okay, so I just gave the game praise for like having different. Here's the amount of seconds left. Nice. Okay, berries. Enough berries for the day. How do I make? Okay, never mind. I thought I had something with soil to do. Oh yeah, I have something. Grow a berry bush using soil. How? Oh my god, how? Okay, so I'm alive. Barely. New moon. I will just keep selling stuff until I guess I need to know how, because isn't the soil like this? What happens if I interact with a tree? Okay, so wood's pretty much worthless. I mean, me plus wood's stick, right? So yeah, if I have the time, making sticks is better for getting money. So... okay, wood, rock. Okay, so getting wood from trees and then making sticks from wood. No, I'll just keep repeating this process until I have something, any clue on how to make berry bush. And I mean, I'm just doing that because, the quest. So, a coin, can I just, oh okay, I can semi-buy it. Okay, idea, growth. Okay. One berry and one soil. A bush with delicious berries in it. Okay, so one berry and one soil. One berry and one soil makes us... okay, so... okay, that will make it harder for me to live another day, but... okay, need to wait 2 minutes for this. Oh my god. Okay, idea needs to be sold. Okay, so let's pause here for a moment and give it more design perspective. You can see that's not even 15 minutes in, and this is praise for the game, I'm already a little bit like, I need to do this and I need to do that, and the time pressure is sweet enough, and it's magical how I can... it's very interesting how I can pause time, but there are trade-offs on pausing time, By pausing time I can do a lot of stuff, perhaps I can sell stuff, yeah, nice. A rock. Okay, so... oh, so I guess this number here is like the selling value. Okay, yeah, it has the same shape. Okay, clever, it's clever, but the trade-offs that I can't like make time-dependent things go further in time. So it's a very clever pause mechanic because it allows you to be a little bit less stressed if you're feeling too stressed, but at the same time, you can't quite properly play the entire game. So I guess I like. Can't I? Okay, I can. Okay, let's have those here. Food here. I'm starting to get the hang of this. Right after this wood, I'm going to play with the tree. Let's have like my my line of work here. The things that I'm going to work, my Kanban, my pseudo Kanban here, inverted Kanban. It should be on the opposite direction, but whatever. So interacting with wood, what happens here? Okay, so a stick, whatever, buy a stick. I can do nothing with sticks so far, so give me another pack. And these packs, let me pause it here again. It's purely loot box mechanics. Like you can have 3 undiscovered things and a lot of things and an idea and 1 key, like there's probably a certain level of rarity among those cards, so it's so fun to incorporate these in the main game mechanics, because otherwise it's just like a loot box, and loot boxes are usually involved with microtransactions, so it's very funny because there's a book called Hooked, and in this book you see that the perfect reward is a predictable but at the same time a little bit unpredictable reward, and loot box is like the perfect example of this, because I know that I'm not going to get like a snake, you know, out of these humble beginnings. I mean, perhaps one of those free undiscovered cards is a snake, but but you know what I mean. But at the same time, I don't know exactly what I'm going to get, so this makes for a perfect reward. And to have it incorporated in the loot of the game is very nice. So another tree for me to, you know, go. Okay, feed my villager. I really hope it's enough time in a day. So, and now I'm wondering, if I hover here, the current time, use done to pause the game. Oh, okay. So I can use the keyboard for this. So a stick is instant sell. Give me another pack, make me hooked. Okay, so I have an idea for a house. Okay, so I get a villager. Okay, so this is important. Okay, house, oh my god, sell the house. Pause the game, I need to understand stuff. So the house is 2 wood, 1 stone, and 1 villager. Okay, 2 wood, I have it. Stone, perhaps I can get a stone from a rock. Okay, so this villager needs to make food for himself, otherwise, well, I guess we're both going to die, yeah. Okay. 2 wood, let me start making a stone. And perhaps 1 villager and 1 rock makes a stone, I don't know. Okay, let me sell the other woods. Just so I can have yet another pack. Oh my god, go ahead. Go ahead. Okay, stone. Okay, so I guess there's not... Okay, so the purpose of a house is making offspring, but right now it would just mean, for me, more people to eat. So I don't really want, like, that. Oh, I completed the quest, but okay, I'm getting a little bit overwhelmed. Create offspring, okay. Okay, so I still need to do this, so let's go very slowly now. I would love a design choice here to have like a slower time, but I guess I made my choice right at the beginning with the length of the moon, right? That's somehow... That's how the game chose to toggle between difficulties, you know, like right before I run, because otherwise I could just make half time here, just to think better at the same time. Okay, so food here, enough for 1. Please make enough food for 2. But, I mean, how did that happen? How did I create 2 berries? I have no idea. Okay, so you both will survive another day, I guess. No, there's 3, but is that going to change everything? Oh my god. Oh my god, the game just froze a bit. New pack unlocked, Seeking Wisdom pack. Okay. Okay, so it's nice. So I even have... Okay, so it's starting to... Okay, oh my god. Soil, berry bush. Make food, don't die. Make a house. Make a house, we need to build a house. I need to create... To get, like... quests completed. And by the way, this is a game very much appealing to the achiever stereotype. If you don't know what I'm talking about, Google the Bartle test. That's a test, you know, of your gaming profile, and so far it's been pretty much like achiever oriented and a little bit like explorer oriented, because there's a lot of like new possibilities here. Oh my god, let me pause this stuff. So 6 berries, 2 villagers. Okay, so let's unpause it and see what happens. Okay, a house. Okay, eat. Okay. So funny that they only eat by the end of a moon, you know. That's fasting taken seriously here. So 2 villagers in a house makes a baby. Okay, again, those notifications, having to close them manually is a little bit annoying, but at the same time, do I have enough food? Yeah, no, I just said it like, oh my god, a few minutes ago, but I shouldn't probably be creating offspring now just because I have a quest for it, you know, like, and I should probably make some food. And now I only have food for 1, so, oh my god. Do I have any ideas? House, growth, stick. If I recalled correctly, I got 2 berries from a tree, right? So, and I have no money. So, let's sell some stuff. What does Sinking Windows have? Sinking Wisdom has? Wood, stone, stick, coin, tree, rock, berry bush, and 12 undiscovered stuff. This one only has 2 undiscovered stuff. Jesus Christ, what do I do? So a soil and a berry makes a berry bush. Yeah, but I won't have the time for this. And the soil is enough to buy another pack. Tough choices, tough choices. I like it, I like it. Let's mine a rock, because otherwise the rock is useless. Sell another stone. Let's not be greedy, because being greedy is probably the recipe for dying here. Okay, we're probably going to die anyway. Yeah, let's hope that from a tree we can get some food. So whatever this rock here, let's just go to the tree here, and let's, yeah, have it again. Jesus. Oh my god. We're going to die, aren't we? Okay, so let's sell 2 sticks. Buy a wisdom pack. Quarry. Unlimited source of stone. Dude, I don't need stone, I need food. Plank. A strong building material. Again, I don't need it. I just need to survive. Weaponry. Wow. Many ideas for weapons. Okay, okay. Okay, so combat. Interesting. I guess, and now, talking design again. I wonder when the game is programmed to, like, introduce combat. Like, it's probably only in the Seeking Wisdom pack forwards. So, it assumes that I'm already somewhat acquainted with the basic mechanics. It's interesting. Oh, there's a berry bush, thank god. So you get the food for us to live. I also find it very nice. Let's take some time to analyze here the fact that having 2 villagers, we literally now have twice the power of, like, doing stuff, so we can, like, suddenly the game just became twice as intense. But at the same time, the cost is literally twice as well. So imagine a line, you know, growing linearly, but once you have, like, another villager, they just leap to another point. So it's probably enough to make me die. I'll probably die soon enough, but let's see what happens. So let's organize things together. And it would be nice to have, like, an option to organize things together, I guess. I see no advantage on doing this other than, like, organization, but would be nice nonetheless. So we're only going to make children when we can afford them, and that's a good rule for life. Another Seeking Winslow, please. Give me Winslow. Okay, the problem with Winslow is that I have a lot of ideas, but I have no way of implementing them. I'm not even going to read them. Go here, go here. Oh my god, go here. It would be a nice practice to, whenever I'm not harvesting stuff, to pause the game, because otherwise I'm just wasting time unnecessarily. A lot of ideas, man. Shed, garden. Oh, garden is interesting. Simple building for growing food. Okay, so that's amazing. A soil, I have a soil. 2 stones, I have no stones. Okay, so someone needs to make stones. Make a stone. Make a stone. Make a stone. What do I need again? Soil, 2 stones, I'm making stones, 2 woods. I guess no, I have 2 woods here. So let me have it separate here. You guys, let us all be together to make a garden. Oh my god. And let's sell whatever else is not needed. A stick, again, I have no use for sticks. Yeah, so they are both working on making stones. I have enough to live for another day. A wood... is it going to be useful for anything? Ah, okay, so there's a usage for a stick. Combat level 7, oh my god. I haven't even started seeing levels for combat, so... yeah, that's how far the game's probably going to go. So let's unpause it. Make the coins go here. Oh my god. I just tried selling coins. Amazing. A brick, a chicken. I can make a chicken. Oh my god. Oh my god. Pause it. So a flint. Start fires. Okay. I was just trying to make stones, man. Okay, stone. Okay. Brick. A strong building material. Okay, thank you. Not needed. Oh my god. Oh, I have another stone here. I had another stone all along. Okay. Wood. Do I have enough to make a garden? A garden seems like a nice idea. Which came first, the chicken or the egg? Alleged descendant of the dinosaurs. I don't see it. Funny. Plank, 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 blah, blah, blah. Blah, 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 blah. Rumor, garden. Okay. Soil, 2 stones. Okay, 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 so I have it. Does it matter the order where I put those? I hope not. Okay. So both of you will be busy. What else can I do? Oh my god. Sell the chicken, at least the idea of it. And let's wait. Oh, what happens? Oh, I'll have to sell some cards. Oh my god. Selling, selling. Wow, that was close. I'm just curious how our garden will work, you know, because once we have a garden, I guess we're basically immortal, and that will probably be a good idea design-wise to decide when to introduce combat, because if I can generate food easily, then why should I worry about, you know? Okay, so a garden. So how the hell do I use a garden? I have just 1 berry. Oh my god, I'm going to die. So someone... Okay, so it's hard sometimes to drag and drop stuff, so... but that's mostly like UX. Rock. Villager going to the tree here. Tree. Flint. Coins. Oh my god. How do I use the garden? Perhaps I need an idea. Whenever I don't know how to use stuff, you know, an idea usually helps. Okay, so I can search for stuff here. I hadn't seen it yet. Quests. Okay, I need to create an offspring and perhaps I'll unlock a new pack. Okay, but again, I'll probably die if I do so. And, okay, let's fast forward a little bit just to see if we can get some food to script by. Okay, we haven't. Oh my god. Stop time. Okay, so we have got enough food. So, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to stop here because that's the first 30 minutes of impressions, design impressions, and just give like a final preamble before we stop here. Very addictive game. I can see that even without introducing me to the combat yet, I'm already pretty much addicted. I wonder that once we start making food without randomness, it will need another mechanics to keep the player engaged, because you can see that thus far, even though we are finding out new stuff here. Oh, and I can collapse them, that's nice. The main source of like game loop here is like not die. So not dying has been our main concern. And I can bet that after we know how to use a garden, we're going to be introduced to combats. So these 15 health points will probably be useful somehow. And yeah, I'm very excited. If you want to see more of these, and if you like this format, leave a comment below, because otherwise I'm just going to start another game. I'm not going to waste time with something that you don't want to see. And that's it. I'm really liking the game. Found it a little bit confusing, a little bit rough around some edges, but overall a very surprising game and chill at the same time. It's stressful. It's a very weird combination, but but yeah, I'm enjoying it very much. So please let me know if you want more of these, and I'll see you soon, guys. Bye bye.